Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video and a very exciting video because today I'm gonna show you how I organize my life with Notion, basically. I also want to thank today's sponsor, which is Notion. Thank you so much for partnering with me in this video. I love Notion and I've talked about them before. I've literally used Notion for the past, I don't know, like 3 years, and it's the best thing ever. Like literally, it's the best thing ever. I love it so much. So in today's video, I'm basically going to show you how I organize my new school year with Notion, how I organize my reading with Notion, and I'm also very excited because I created my own template that I'm going to show you in this video and how I use it. And I'm going to give you guys this free template for you guys to use, and it's going to be in the description of this video. So let's talk a little bit about Notion if you don't know what Notion is. So Notion is an app and it's an excellent tool for students because it is uniquely customizable. So you can keep your class notes, you can track your assignments, you can track your reading. It's also very aesthetically pleasing and fun to create. You can make Notion your own and you can put a little bit of your style to your Notion page. You can drag and drop everything you need for your classes, and it's also a great tool for collaboration. So if you have like a group project that you need to do with other people, you can collaborate through Notion, which is so cool. So using Notion for school helps you get organized, achieve your goals, and feel more confident to take on the semester. So let's get started with the tour. I'm going to show you how you can use my template, everything you need to know, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys like it. And if you want to go ahead and sign up right now so you can follow along with the video and with my template, you can click the links in my description and you're gonna be ready to go. So let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, so we're here in my computer and I'm gonna show you really quickly how you can duplicate the template first. Just so you know, so when you click on the link in my description for my template, the only thing that you need to do is press here where it says duplicate, and that is going to take you to your account. If you haven't created an account, it's totally free, you can do that, and then it's going to appear in your Notion account. So once you have the Notion template duplicated into your account, this is basically what you're gonna see. So I did create, customized this template. A lot of the pictures, well, all of the pictures are from Pinterest. So if you were wondering, I'm going to show you the ones that I actually did myself because all these are from Pinterest, and you can change the cover if you want. These are pictures, you can change them as well, but I just put like a little quote here that says making today mine, so you get like a little bit inspired at the beginning of the day. I love that. I also put a little Spotify playlist. I love the Spotify account from this girl, Natalie. She has the best Spotify playlist, so I just added one that I love, which is this one right here. It's kind of like fall vibes, a lot of fall vibe songs, and I'm just in the fall vibe mood. So I just put this here, but if you want to change it, you can actually do that and you just press replace, and you can go to Spotify. You can select a playlist, any playlist that you want, and in that Spotify playlist, you just go to the share button, and that's going to take you to share copy link. So the embedded link, you're going to paste it here, and it's going to appear in this box right here. So you're going to have whatever playlist you want. So these pictures around the playlist are from Pinterest. So the one on the left says today's a good day, the one on the bottom, one day at a time, and then obviously a book photo, and this book photo is so pretty. I'm obsessed and I just had to add it here because we need to have a book photo. We love that. Also, you can change the cover if you want to change the cover. Notion has a lot of like icons that they created and they are super cute, but you can customize that and upload a file. That's what I did with this picture right here, and this picture is also from Pinterest. So basically that is what you're gonna see when you enter. So the title of basically a planner, you can change this if you want, but I just titled it homepage planner 2022, but then you have two little pages here. So those are my preferences, and you can still add more pages if you would like, but I added school and reading because those are the things that I want to keep track of. So first, let's go to the page school. So if you click on school, it's going to take you to another page where you basically have this design. Again, you can change the photos if you like, you can replace them. And this is also a picture. This one I did create myself on Canva. We have a little icon that you can change as well or remove if you want. I put this little gif of like someone typing. I don't know, it seemed really cool. So you can also add gifs. So that is really cool. I also added another playlist. This one is more of like a study playlist. So it's really relaxing. That kind of lo-fi, chilled back songs, you know? So this is the one that I chose, and it's from the Spotify account Lo-Fi Girl, which is very popular, and they're just really relaxing songs. And on the bottom, I just put like a calendar, and you can use this calendar to like put your assignments. So you have one calendar with all of your assignments that you need to do for each day. And you can change that, and it's going to change to September, and it's going to keep going, so that is awesome. So let's say you have an assignment due for this Friday, so you can add here your assignment, and that is as easy as that. So if we go to the top again, we have two more pages. So a lot of these pages are going to be like pages in between pages and all that stuff, but first, we have a daily to-do list. So you can change this if you want to a weekly to-do list, and you can put like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. But I just added a daily to-do list because, I don't know, I'm someone that loves to-do lists, and I'm more organized if I know what I need to do for the day. So basically I have the title here, tasks for the day, and the date, so you can put the date. And we have a little icon here that I also got from Pinterest. Cover here is from, I also did myself from Canva, so if you were wondering, you can go back with the little arrows here. If we go back, we have the page Fall Semester 2022. So this cover page, I also did myself on Canva, and I just added like a little fall design. So it's kind of like we are in the fall mood, if you know what I mean. So I just put "you got this" for a little bit of inspiration for this fall semester. Then we have a little icon that I also got from Pinterest, and then we have the title, which is Fall Semester 2022. So for a kind of overview of what I have here, first I have this photo that you can replace, and this one I also did on Canva. And at the bottom I put like a little table here for your class schedule. So basically if you go to like in-person school, high school, university, whatever schedule you have, you can add here. If we go up, then we have more pages. So here are classes. So I just put class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have more classes, you can always just right click and duplicate the page. And basically when we press into the class, you're just gonna have like a little square here. Each class has a different color. That's what I like to do. And you can change the title obviously, and you can put your class, the class that you're into. If you have a schedule, you can enter the time where the class starts and ends, so that is great. You can also add your course syllabus. You can upload files. So if you press right here, you can choose a file directly from your computer, and it's going to import it here. So that is amazing. Next up, I have another calendar, because if you want like a more personalized calendar for every class, then you have it right here. If you get confused with like one calendar with all your assignments and all your classes, you can have these calendars for each of your classes. So it's basically a mini to-do list of your assignments, exams. If you have to write notes, anything that you want to do, you can add it here. And always you can still add more things. There are so many things that you can add, and if we go back, it's going to be the same thing, and that is basically it. So if we go back to the home page, we have the same thing, and now we're going to go to the reading page. So let's click on that, and we have our little reading section. And if you like reading, then you're going to have a lot of fun with this. Besties, you're going to love this. So I have a little cover page here that I got off from Pinterest, and please look at my cover icon. It's iconic. My icon, it's a photo of Rory from Gilmore Girls. If you're a reader, you probably know Gilmore Girls, and if you don't know, it's a series, it's a TV show, and you should totally watch it. It's so cool. The main character reads, and I don't know, I relate to her, so I just put Rory here. Again, you can change the icon here, so don't worry, but I just thought it was super cute. So if we go down, we have a few photos, and I also have another playlist which I found, and it's honestly the best thing ever. If you like reading with like a playlist in the background but without lyrics, so like classical music or just background music, I just found this one. It just says, "Shut up, I'm reading." I also put another one right here at the bottom, and another one, and I did put this one. I created it on Canva, and it says "Reading Junkie." And here we have 4 different pages. So I created these 4 different pages because these, like, I thought these were the ones that are mostly used. So let's start with 2022 to be read list. So here's the page. I went with this like mint blue greenish color, and it just says Booktroverts, so I thought it was really cute. And for the title, if you want to use this next year, you can also change it to 2023 when it's time. I put a little quote here that I got off from Pinterest. It says, "Happiness is a cup of coffee and a good book." That is literally it. I love this quote so much. Basically it says, books I want to read this year. You can put all of the books that you want to read, so I put here name of book, the price of the book, where to buy, number of pages, author, and genre. Also, you can change all of these things. So all of these settings you can change to whatever setting you want to put in. Also, very important, you can still add more. If we go back, we're gonna go to monthly reading wrap-up. So if we go to the monthly reading wrap-up, we have another little quote here that I created on Canva. It says, "BRB, I need to finish this book." I thought it was really funny. So another color for this, so I went with like an orange, and I just put a little photo here of smiley faces. Basically have tables for every single month, so you can put the name of the book that you read, the author, the start date, the end date, and your rating for the book. And we go to now book of the month, and the color pink for this one. And if you go down, you basically have again every single month, but in this page you have the name of the book, the author, and the rating that you gave the book. And you can add an image, so you can add the image of the book cover, so you keep track of actually like seeing the books that you've read and your favorite book of that month. And the last page of this entire template is book accounts. So I thought this one was a great idea because you can keep track of all the accounts that you like. We have Book Talk, Bookstagram, and BookTube, and basically we just have for this first is any book recommendations that you may have from different book accounts, and the favorite accounts. So that is my little template, you guys. I hope you like it. I've been using it for the past couple of days, and I have been loving it so much. And I've been adding things that I like personally need. So if you need something that's not here, you can still add it and make it your own. That's the whole point of Notion. So I'm just giving you like a little introduction, a little template here, guide, so you can start doing your own thing and put all the things that you want. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was very different from my other videos and I really enjoyed it. It was really fun creating this template. Like, honestly, it was really fun. It was like therapeutic. I loved it so much. So I hope you guys do too. Let me know if you use it. Again, remember, all the links to sign up for Notion and to use my template are going to be in the description. Make sure to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!